2009, I came across India having attempted PISA test globally and we coming second from bottom. And that's where I became curious about why would a country sign up for a test publicly? Leaderboard is out there and you can see you are second from bottom. That was the last when we took PISA, but it got deep inside that we need to figure out and crack this, if it's relevant. It took us some time to figure out its relevance, and I think it's supremely relevant.
But the question is also why we do all that. So why we do all this work is because the need for skills is changing. The skills that are needed now in 21st century are not the same ones that were needed before. So that's why also the education has to adapt to that. We have to equip these students now to be active citizens later.
For me, making improvements in schools needs to be based on evidence. The primary purpose of PISA is to measure a country, and PISA for Schools is linked to the PISA test, which allows you to compare your school to different countries.
What is that you expect PISA to do? So one of my very important thing was that can the data be given at student level so that the teacher must know how can I personalize learning for him, her and her. So if personalization with the data will help you to strengthen your teaching, learning practice.